everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on with some more DIYs to share with you, and these are the items we're using for DIY number 1. Okay, we have this tea light candle holder from the Dollar Tree. Doesn't that look nice? And then we have a vase here, also from the Dollar Tree, and we'll be using some crushed glass that I got from Micheals. And we'll be using some of this glam gems that I have here, which I will be doing a birthday giveaway with these gems. I'll tell you more later on. Alright everyone, this is all the items we have for today's DIY, so let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our little tea light holder here. And we are going to add our gems using some hot glue. We're going right around the top of our tea light holder. And now we have our little vase here, which I'm going to tape off 2 sections in the front because we're going to use some crushed glass and decorate this vase. But I want an open space, so I'm going to tape it off, like I said, using this painter's tape. So now we're going to get right into the crushed glass and using some Mod Podge to add the crushed glass to the vase. So I'm just adding the Mod Podge, going right around, then we'll add our crushed glass. I had planned on having a giveaway for my birthday month, which is January, but because I was sick and in the hospital, I have to move it now to February. So these are some of the items that I will be giving away. Well, it's my featured items, the Bling gems. Yeah, this is my featured items that I'll be having in my giveaway, but I will also be adding some more stuff to go along, and as my videos go along, I will share with you more and more items that I'll be adding to the giveaway. So I'm going to continue adding the crushed glass, going all the way around. And when I'm done, I'll set it aside to dry for a few hours. So now our crushed glass is all dry. So I'm going over it again with some more Mod Podge to help seal in the crushed glass so we have nothing falling off. And now that it's all sealed, I'm just going to remove the painter's tape and set it aside to dry for a few hours. Now our vase is all dry. Doesn't that look nice? I love the crushed glass. So in the open space that we have here, I'm going to use some hot glue and add our gems. I'm just using some hot glue. You can use any adhesive that you would like to glue down your gems to your decor. And I'm just going to take the 2 pieces that we have and use some E6000 and glue them together. For DIY number 2, I have these little square mirrored pieces that I got from BB Craft. And we have our gems that we'll be using, our Bling gems. Some more crushed glass. And we have another tea light candle holder. that I got from the Dollar Tree, and this small vase here that I also got from the Dollar Tree. So we're going to start with our small vase here, and I'll be adding some of the square mirrored tiles I got. Now they do come with a self-adhesive on the back, so we're just going to peel it off and add them to our little vase. So to this tea light holder, just like I did to the first one, I'm just going to add the gems going right around. Now for our little vase here, I was going to use the silver crushed glass, the clear crushed glass, but I think I'm going to be using this purple crushed glass. Yeah, same glass from Micheals, and I'll be using some Mod Podge to place it onto our vase. And when I'm done, I'll be setting it aside to dry for a few hours. Now it's dry, so it's time to once again apply more Mod Podge to help seal in the crushed glass. And to this vase, I'll be adding some silver glitter. And now everything's all done, so we're just gonna add our two pieces together. Now before I add the tea light holders to our other two pieces, to our other two vases, I just wanted to show you that you could use the tea light holders all by themselves. Don't they look lovely? I love how they look with the gems. They look absolutely beautiful. And here's how they look with a little candle inside. You can use a little candle, or you could use the small, little more flat tea light holders. Whichever you choose, they both fit. And I got these little candles from the Dollar Tree also. Okay, here is the finished look of our first candle holder. Doesn't that look nice? I love how it looks with the crushed glass and the gems. I think it makes a lovely piece of decor. Yeah. And if you enter my giveaway, you will be able to make this decor for yourself also. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our DIY number 1. And here's the finished look for our second DIY. I love how the purple crushed glass turned out. It looks very nice. It's looking kind of like a light pinkish color on my camera, but it is a purple. It's a light purple. It looks very nice. And here it is with a candle inside. I love how this one turned out also. I think it looks very nice. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of DIY number 2. And here are both of today's DIYs. I hope I have inspired you with another lovely decor ideas for your home. I love how they turned out. And remember, the month of February is my giveaway month. I'll be doing a few more videos, and then I will have a video showing you what the rules are and how to enter. But first, I'll be doing a few videos showing you different decor ideas that you could do using these gems. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. So, once again, thank you so much for coming on and seeing what I had to share with you today. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.